What's up, everybody? It's Your Name here, and today we're talking all about stock photography, but not just any stock photography. We're diving deep into what makes a stock photo, one that sells again and again, one that clients are literally searching for. Whether you're a seasoned pro with a camera bag full of tricks or just starting out and finding your footing in the world of photography, trust me, these tips are pure gold. We're going to break down everything you need to know, from finding that perfect light to nailing the shot and editing it to absolute perfection. So, grab your gear, your notebooks, or whatever you use to soak up knowledge, because by the end of this video you'll be well on your way to creating stock photos that are so good they practically sell themselves. Let's do this thing. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of any incredible photo lighting, and more specifically natural lighting. Think of it like this. Natural light is basically Mother Nature's Instagram filter, but like a million times better. It's all about that soft, diffused light you get during the golden hours, you know, that magical time right after sunrise and just before sunset. Now, I know what you're thinking, Peter. Why can't I just blast my subject with a flash? And look, but nothing. And I mean, beats the natural, airy and almost ethereal quality that the golden hours bring to your photos. Trust me on this one. Set your alarm clock a little earlier, plan your shoots around that sunset, and watch your photos literally glow up. You'll thank me later. Now let's talk about staying ahead of the curve. The stock photography world, much like the internet itself, is constantly evolving. What's hot today might be old news tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to keep your finger on the pulse of trending themes. Think about it. Remote work, technology, sustainability. These are the topics that are dominating conversations, and guess what? People need visuals to accompany those conversations. That's where you come in. Don't be afraid to get creative. Experiment with different angles and compositions, and put your unique spin on these trending themes. The more relevant your photos are, the more likely they are to catch someone's eye and ultimately make you some cash. Okay, this next point is super important. Diversity and authenticity. In a world saturated with picture-perfect but often generic images, it's time to shake things up. We need more realness, more inclusivity, more stories being told through the lens. Showcase a range of ethnicities, ages, body types, abilities, you name it. Let's break down those barriers and challenge the outdated norms of what's considered beautiful or marketable. Remember, the more relatable and diverse your photos are, the wider your audience will be and the more impact your work will have. Let's make a difference, one photo at a time. All right, let's get down to the technical stuff for a minute. When it comes to stock photography, there are two non-negotiables: sharp focus and high resolution. I'm talking crisp, clean images that could be blown up to billboard size and still look incredible. Why is this so important? Well, your photos never know where they might end up. One day they could be on a website, the next they could be on a flyer, or even a giant billboard. Like I said, high-resolution images give you that flexibility, that professional edge that sets you apart from the competition. So make sure you're using the right equipment, nailing your focus, and shooting in the highest quality possible. We've talked about lighting, composition, and technical stuff, but we can't forget about the magic touch editing. Now, before you go crazy with the filters and effects, remember this: subtlety is key. Think of editing like seasoning your food. You're not trying to mask the flavor, you're just enhancing it. The same goes for your photos. Adjust the colors, fine-tune the clarity, make those subtle tweaks that bring out the natural beauty of your image. Remember, the goal is to make your photos pop, not look like they belong in a psychedelic art gallery. And there you have it, my friends. Those are my top tips for taking your stock photography to the next level. Remember, it's all about finding that sweet spot between technical skill, creativity, and a whole lot of passion. Now, I want to see what you create. Put these tips into practice. Experiment, have fun, and don't be afraid to break the mold. Tag me on Instagram with your incredible stock photos. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Don't forget to smash that like button. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more photography goodness, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out!